Experiencing heart rate inaccuracies with your Garmin Instinct 2? You're not alone. Many users report readings that are too high, too low, or simply absent, especially during workouts. This video will guide you through the primary solution, sensor calibration, recommended by Garmin to adjust for individual physiology and improve accuracy. The Garmin Instinct 2 series features an optical heart rate monitor using Garmin's Elevate technology. This system employs photoplethysmography, or PPG, to measure your heart rate without chest straps. At the core of this technology are green LEDs that shine light onto your skin. The light penetrates the skin and interacts with the blood flowing through your capillaries. Photodiodes then detect the light that is reflected back. As your heart beats, the volume of blood in your capillaries changes, affecting how much light is absorbed or reflected. This PPG principle allows the sensor to track these subtle changes in light intensity. The watch analyzes the patterns to estimate your heart rate in beats per minute. The sensor diagram shows how the optical components are integrated into the watch band, with the PCB handling the signal processing. A schematic view reveals the complete system, including amplifiers, processors, and wireless transmission to deliver your heart rate data. Understanding this optical sensing process helps explain why calibration is necessary. The sensor must be tuned to your individual physiology for accurate readings. Several factors can interfere with the heart rate monitor's accuracy on your Garmin Instinct 2. How snugly the watch fits on your wrist is crucial. If it's too loose, the sensor can't get a clear reading. Skin conditions like tattoos, dryness, or thickness can block the optical sensor from detecting blood flow properly. During exercise, arm movements create motion artifacts that confuse the sensor, leading to erratic readings. Environmental factors, such as cold weather, reduce blood flow to the skin, making readings less accurate. This flow diagram shows how the heart rate monitor processes signals, but these factors can disrupt the accuracy at each stage. Calibration helps the watch adapt to these variables and provide more accurate readings by learning your specific physiology. Using a chest strap like the HRM Pro Plus during calibration can enhance accuracy even further. Garmin recommends recalibrating every 1 to 2 months or after firmware updates to maintain accuracy. First, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. The app interface will appear with various options for your device. Next, navigate to the device settings and select the heart rate option from the menu. Then, select the calibrate option within the heart rate settings. The app will prompt you to start an activity, usually a walk or run, to gather calibration data. Wear the watch snugly, positioned 2 to 3 finger widths above your wrist bone for optimal sensor contact. Complete the activity as instructed, allowing the watch to gather heart rate data. You'll see your heart rate readings update in real time. Finally, the app uses the collected data to refine and improve your sensor's accuracy for future readings. For best results during calibration, pair your Instinct 2 with a chest strap heart rate monitor like the HRM Pro or HRM Dual. This provides a more accurate baseline for the watch to learn from, leading to significantly improved heart rate readings. If calibration didn't resolve your heart rate sensor issues, here are common troubleshooting steps to try. We'll check each one and see how it can stabilize your readings. First, check that your watch band is snug but comfortable. Poor placement can lead to inaccurate readings due to motion artifacts or insufficient skin contact. The sensor should sit about 2 to 3 fingers above your wrist bone. Second, moisten your skin before exercise. The optical heart rate sensor relies on good contact with your skin. Dry conditions, cold weather, or skin conditions like tattoos can cause readings to be erratic. Third, if issues persist, perform a factory reset. Software glitches can cause calibration problems. Reset through the watch menu and recalibrate afterward. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Garmin support. Hardware defects like scratched sensors may require repair or replacement. Use the Garmin Connect app or website for assistance. The future of wearable heart rate monitoring extends beyond manual calibration, incorporating advanced AI and multi-sensor technologies to deliver more accurate and reliable readings. AI-driven calibration represents a major advancement. Garmin is already testing software updates that use machine learning algorithms to analyze user patterns and automatically refine heart rate measurements without manual intervention. This AI learning can improve accuracy from current levels around 85% to over 90% by adapting to individual physiology and activity patterns. Multi-sensor integration will combine the current optical heart rate technology with additional sensors. Accelerometers will correct for motion artifacts during exercise, while ECG sensors will provide electrical heart signals for more reliable measurements. Advanced sensor networks will integrate wearable technology with environmental monitoring. Smartwatches will combine heart rate data with temperature, sweat analysis, and location tracking through global APIs and datasets for comprehensive health insights. Looking ahead to 2030, these technological advancements will dramatically reduce calibration issues. Improved algorithms and integrated sensors will provide out-of-the-box accuracy, minimizing the need for manual adjustments and enhancing the overall user experience. Accuracy levels could reach 95% or higher through these combined technologies. In conclusion, while the Garmin Instinct 2's heart rate sensor may experience inaccuracies, calibration provides an effective solution for most users. By regularly calibrating your device, especially using a chest strap like the HRM Pro Plus, you can significantly improve its performance and reliability. Remember to calibrate every 1 to 2 months and stay updated with firmware releases. As wearable technology advances, future updates and innovations will further enhance the accuracy of heart rate monitoring in devices like the Garmin Instinct 2.